Yo, what is good? Ben from Lover of Tech. We're back again. Another unboxing, and this time it's the S20 Only Fan Edition. I mean, S20 Fan Edition, S20 FE, and this is the 5G model. So let's get straight onto it, man. Let's unbox this S20 FE 5G. So we're gonna unbox this, and this one, before we get ahead, a big thank you to Vodafone UK for sending this over. I'll have a link in the description below of the price plans on the S20 FE from Vodafone in the UK, as well as other places to also purchase it. So without that, man, this is it, man. I've been looking forward to this one because I've been doing lots of talking head discussion comparisons and standalone videos on the S20 FE, as well as you know, some of the other phones that it competes against. So this is going to be interesting. Now we're getting hands-on, we'll really see how it competes, man. So paperwork, as always, you know what, standing through, quick start guide, warranty card, usual stuff, you know, put them away, SIM ejector tool, you know how it goes, put it on the side, front and center, Only Fan Edition. Ooh, okay. Cloud blue. So many cloud colors in this one. All right, we're gonna put this to the side. This one should be a quick unboxing. I'm getting better at these, man. Straight to it, no nonsense. Obviously just the Samsung logo, put that one on the side. And now, this is gonna be an interesting one because, as you can see, in terms of the plugs and the cable, nothing else comes in here. There's no earphones, nothing. So we're gonna put this on the side. Now, no headphone port, no headphone jack, but nowadays I don't even mention it because it's just standard procedure. You don't really see it. You've got the USB-A to USB-C cable, right? As expected, not USB-C to C. And the reason why it's not USB-C to C is because it's using their adaptive fast charging. Now, they've been using this adaptive fast charging technology from ages ago. I'm talking about from S6 days. So this is 15 watts. So it's using Quick Charge 2.0 adaptive fast charging. Now, the reason why I mention this is, in my talking head discussion comparison videos and, you know, discussions about the S20 FE, it does support 25 watt charging. So what I'm actually going to be interested in doing this. I'm probably going to do 15 watt versus 25 watt because I've got the 25 watt super fast charging that is working on the Note 20 Ultra as well as the Z Fold 2. So I will probably test that out, but so far, man, let's get into it. This is the S20 FE. This is the cloud blue. Let's peel that. Ooh, that's nice. Now, this is obviously using what is known as a glastic material or plastic. And I'll be honest with you, I was worried about the feel of it, but this so far feels great. I can't lie to you. So if you look at it, this feels nice. This actually feels good. And you might, in some ways, if you didn't really know the feel of materials that way, you might be deceived into thinking this is a matte frosted glass finish. So Glastic, I like it. The frame of it feels solid. Obviously nowadays, pre-apply screen protectors to protect it against scratches, but obviously not against damages. Then you've got the 3 cameras, and I like it. These 3 cameras are straight to the point, man. Like, you know, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel main, and also an 8 megapixel ×3 optical telephoto zoom. So like no macros, no depth sensors, no monochrome, just none of that. Just 3 focal lengths that are usable, and that makes sense. And then you've got the single hole punch in the middle, flat display, full high definition plus dynamic AMOLED 120 Hz display, which is great. And then obviously the 5G model, which is this one here, which we're gonna turn on, does have the Snapdragon 865. So Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G. Powered by Android. Again, they gotta let them know nowadays, innit? Hint, hint. So you're looking at a center hole punch, and I believe the megapixel count on that is 32 megapixels. And it does have the ability to shoot 4K UHD up to 60 frames a second, which we're gonna obviously check out and test out. But this is the S20 FE. Okay. Does not look too bad at all. Looks nice. I think it looks nice. Straightforward, man. So power button to the right. Volume, again, I would always prefer the volume buttons or the volume rocker to be on this side level, so it's just not that much gymnastics. Raw unboxings for you, innit? Can never speak properly. Thumb gymnastics, because you see, power button lands so well. It lands so perfectly, but it's a bit of a stretch. Again, like I always say, with these raw unboxings, I don't necessarily set it up. I like to just give you my raw impressions of the feel, how the phone feels in the hand, what's in the box, you know, just so I kind of, you know, I can absorb that. And then when it comes to things like the first impressions, get onto the first impressions and really talk about, you know, what I've experienced with the phone within the first 48 hours to a week, whenever the first impressions drop. And then obviously you go through the test, go through the motion when it comes to things like your battery test, your camera comparisons, yada, yada, yada. Then we do the full review. So I'll try and take you through that journey of how would you feel just doing a raw, unscripted unboxing experience. And this S20 FE definitely feels nice. It does feel nice. Aluminium frame. Apparently it is using Gorilla Glass 3, and this model should be, I don't know if it'll tell you at the back of the box, but I believe it's 6 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage, and it is expandable. So let's check something. Let me get that. Let's see where we are. It should be dual SIM with a hybrid SIM slot, which, yeah, it's a dual SIM hybrid SIM slot. Yeah, that's true. That is true. Ooh. Yeah, perfect. All right, let's put this back. And I don't think there's anything else I can say right now. All we're gonna do is we're gonna test this and put it through its paces. Standalone and lots of comparisons coming, man. This is the S20 FE Fan Edition. Is this phone really for the fans? Is this the one that the fans really want? I don't know, let's find out. We're gonna find out, man. Can't wait, can't wait. So again, thank you to Vodafone UK for sending this over. Link in the description below for price plans on the S20 FE on Vodafone UK. That's it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS, the Tech Lover Squad, so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. Stay tuned, lots coming, man. Techtober, and also all the way into the last quarter of this year, man. Can't even talk. It's gonna be full swing on tech, so hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.